In this demonstration, we will be using a table saw. Refer to your user manual for instructions to your specific safety use for your table saw. We need some wood to carve, a pocket knife to cut with, a pencil, and a sharpening stone. Safety gloves and a cloth are optional. The types of wood that are best used are basswood, pine, balsa wood, and random twigs and branches. For this demonstration, we will be using basswood because of its very straight grain type of wood. We want to cut the wood so that it is a 90-degree corner. We do this by trimming the extra wood off 2 of the sides. We want to cut the wood so that it is 1 1/4 by 1 1/4. That creates a 90-degree corner. Use a template to mark the wood chain link locations of all the links in the chain with a pencil. If you do not have a template, then you can look online for a chain link and carefully draw it on a scrap piece of wood, then cut it out to use as your template. Now we select an appropriate knife. There are lots of knives and different styles. Pick the one that fits you best and that has a Warncliffe blade on it. When you get a knife, the first rule of whittling is to keep your knife very sharp. Knives are sharpened by grinding away metal from the edge so that it will form a very acute angle with no rough edges. The first series of cuts you will need is to create the long hollows on both sides of the first link. The second series of cuts separates the exterior from the rest of the wood. The third series of cuts separates the interior from the rest of the wood. The fourth series of cuts are to refine the interior and exterior shape of the link. All recurring links are made the same way, so go back to where the first cuts were described and follow all the steps. If your knife has become dull on the first link, go back and sharpen it again before starting the next link. Congratulations, you've worked hard and put a lot of time to successfully making a full wooden chain link.